Guys, I'm using this one. Yan. I'm gonna put some water. Yan. Water. There you go. Water. Put some water. There you go. Yan. Put some water. So, yan po. Put po. Yan. Like dextrose po. Ayan. That is not a dextrose. So, I'm putting this one all the way here. So, there yan po. So, it's dripping to my flan. Yan po ay my I'm gonna control here. So, slowly dripping the water. Yan. This is the way that you can use. Yan. Dripping po yan. So use this one po. And then this po. Po. And with water. Ayan. So slowly po dripping the water. Ayan. Thank you po for watching.